Boys and girls, I went to the toy store and I was looking at the clearance table and I found this box. It says beautiful moments find us every day. And we're going to open this because the surprise is inside this box. I found this gigantic book and I am so excited about showing the book to you. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh, let's put this down a little bit. Let's look through these tissue papers here. Oh, look at this, boys and girls. This is a huge book. It says, My First Look and Listen Sound Book Bible. Wow, I've never seen a children's Bible like this before. But it's awesome, and we're going to go through it right now. Boys and girls, read the title with me. My First Look and Listen Sound Book Bible. So, you look, so I think, well, we should be looking for things, and over here, you'll be looking and listening to the different sounds. It's about the Garden of Eden. Yes, this is the first garden that God created. So here we got a lot of animals. We have chicks, deer, snake, lion, macaw, jaguar, gorilla, and an owl. Can you spot these creatures and see what sound they make? Let's go over here. Let me see. I always like the lion. I love the sound of a lion. Let's see over here, boys and girls. Can you see a lion here? Ah, this looks like the lion. Let's press it and see. That's the lion, all right. Let's go to the next page. Noah's Ark. I love Noah's Ark. Noah built a huge, gigantic ark and brought in all the different types of animals. Here are some of the animals. Oh, there's a dove, a frog, and a monkey, and a polar bear, a moose, penguin, tiger, crocodile, and a puffin, and many more animals. And there is Noah, boys and girls. And here are the animals he had in the ark. Let's go over here and see if we can find some of them. Next is Moses. Moses crossing the Red Sea. You know what I like, boys and girls? I want to see the children and I want to hear the children. Being a teacher, I love educating children, and that's why I'm doing all these videos, boys and girls, to educate you. And where are the children? Oh, right there. Let's press it. Oh, I love hearing children. They're happy children, aren't they? Let's keep on going. The next one, the Nativity. Oh, do you remember at Christmas time seeing all those nativity scenes all over the place? And here's a donkey, and here's a Star of Bethlehem, and an angel, and this is a horse, and then we have a sheep. Let's turn it, see what the nativity scene looks like. Oh, look at this, boys and girls. Oh, there's camels. The wise men were coming to see baby Jesus. And I see baby Jesus. Do you see baby Jesus, boys and girls? Little baby Jesus in the manger. Now let's go over here and try to find baby Jesus. This looks like a baby, and that's baby Jesus. Let's see what baby Jesus sounds like. Oh, what a sweet sound baby Jesus made, huh, boys and girls? Surprise, boys and girls! I'm going to show you some real animals mentioned in the Sound Book Bible.